Just because you believe you have a valid medical malpractice case does not necessarily mean that an attorney is going to want to take you on as a client. You want to know why? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. You believe you suffered significant injury and harm because of a doctor's carelessness. And now you make an appointment, you go into an attorney's office, you tell him everything that's going on, and you believe that the attorney is going to take you on as a client and proceed forward with your case. Well, hold your horses, because you will find that the best medical malpractice attorneys in New York are not going to take in every case that comes in the door. You want to know why not? It's because they can't. It's because not every case has merit. Just because you believe that a doctor did something wrong to cause you harm doesn't necessarily mean that you have a valid basis for a case. You might, but here's the problem. Every attorney in New York must fully evaluate a case. So, for example, in a medical malpractice matter, we have to show not only that there were violations from the basic standards of medical care, but we have to show that those violations, those departures, were a cause of your particular injury. And then we have to look to see the extent of your injuries, whether they were significant, were they permanent. And then all three of those things must be confirmed by a qualified medical expert. Only then can we tell you, yes, we have a valid basis for a case. Now we can accept you on as a client. But I want to share something remarkable with you. Out of 100 people who call my office, 99% of them, 99 of them, get rejected on the telephone immediately. And that means that I will not be inviting them into the office. Only 1%, 1 out of 100, will be invited into the office. But that still doesn't mean that I'm willing to take them on as a client. Instead, I now have to do a thorough and detailed investigation to evaluate whether or not you have a valid basis for a case. You know, this isn't like a car accident case where you get hit in the rear and now you suffered an injury and the next day you can actually go forward and file a lawsuit. This is totally different. You know, in all likelihood, you're watching this because you've got questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you've got legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, G-E-R-R-Y, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a great day.